In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move stop loss in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, managing your stop loss is one of the most important ways to protect your investments and control risk. Tradingview makes it simple to adjust your stop loss levels directly from the chart, but it's essential to know how to do it correctly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear, step-by-step understanding of how to update your stop loss and ensure your trades are aligned with your strategy. If you're not already signed up for Tradingview, you can find a link in the description to create your account and follow along. Now, let's get started. The first step is to locate your stop loss line on the chart. This is usually displayed as a red dashed line and labeled to indicate which order it corresponds to. It's important to find this line, as it represents the current level at which your stop loss will trigger. Take a moment to scan your chart and identify it. Once you've located the stop loss line, hover your mouse pointer over it. As you do this, you'll notice the line will turn a brighter color, and a small message, "Drag to move," will appear. This is Tradingview's way of letting you know that the line is adjustable. If you don't see this right away, try moving your mouse slightly closer to the line or ensure that you're hovering directly over it. Next, click and hold down your mouse button on the stop loss line. This allows you to grab the line and prepare to move it. Now, just in case you find it tricky to grab the line because it's too close to another element on the chart, you can zoom in for more precision. This will make it easier to select and adjust the line without any hassle. After grabbing the stop loss line, drag it up or down to your desired price level. Moving the line up or down adjusts your stop loss position depending on your strategy. For example, dragging the line higher can help you secure more profits if you're in a long position, while dragging it lower can reduce potential losses in a short position. Take your time to choose the level that best fits your risk management plan. Once the line is in position, release your mouse button to place it at the new level. At this point, a confirmation box will pop up on your screen. This box is Tradingview's way of ensuring you're happy with the adjustment before applying the change. It's always a good idea to double-check the new price level displayed in the confirmation box to avoid any unintended errors. When you're satisfied with the new position, click Confirm to finalize the adjustment. This step updates your trade with the new stop-loss level. So your order is now aligned with the changes you just made. If you accidentally place the line at the wrong level, don't worry. You can always repeat the process until it's just right. After confirming, the platform may take a brief moment to process the adjustment. During this time, Tradingview communicates the updated stop-loss details to your broker. Keep in mind that a slight delay is normal, so don't be alarmed if the change doesn't appear instantly on the chart. Finally, verify that the stop-loss line has moved to the new position on your chart. This is a crucial step to ensure that your adjustment was successfully applied. Take a close look at the chart to confirm that the line is exactly where you intended it to be. If anything looks off, you can always go back and make further adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully moved your stop loss in Tradingview. With this skill, you can better protect your trades, lock in profits, and manage your risk with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.